Take a look at a live picture from downtown Eugene this morning, and that sun will rise here in just over 15 minutes or so. But it is an interesting sky out there. We have a combination of some smoke into the distance, and that's the reason for the orange color there this morning. But also the clouds obviously still sticking with us. Those clouds are going to be in and out today, continuing to produce some rain showers. Temperature right now rather mild at 54 degrees. Winds out of the southeast this morning. Pressure is continuing to drop as the storm nears the Oregon coast, now at 29.77 inches. If you have a barometer, you'll likely see that dropping throughout the day today. And humidity is going to continue to climb, 86 degrees. And yesterday, if you're out and about, you may have noticed it was quite muggy, even despite seeing a high temperature of just 71, the coolest day of the month so far. With those humidities high, it felt a little bit warmer than the low 70s. Now, I put the radar and satellite picture on a 24-hour loop so you could see the past day. And again, we continued to see showers streaming up from the south all day yesterday. But it was folks down in the south that saw the most precipitation making it to the surface. For us here in the valley, most of that all evaporating before it ever did reach the ground. In terms of rainfall totals, it was just a trace for us here in Eugene, but Roseburg picking up nearly 1/10 of an inch of rain over the past 24 hours. Newport picking up 0.05 of an inch, and we're all going to see chances to add to these totals throughout the day today. So here's what's going on. Trough of low pressure off the coast, bringing that cold Arctic air mass down with it. And that's part of the reason why those temperatures dropped so low yesterday. And then we also have this low pressure at the surface. Again, it's closer down to the Oregon-California border, and it's actually going to be tracking to the east today. So never making it through western Oregon, but it's close enough that with that counterclockwise flow, we'll continue to see those showers moving across the western part of the state off and on today. But the heavier rainfall is still going to be in the southern part of the state. In fact, we've seen some pretty heavy rain right on the I-5 corridor this morning between Roseburg and Medford. As we head into the next 24 hours, here's what I'm expecting in terms of rainfall totals. It's still not much. The most will be just south of Roseburg in southern Douglas County, where you could get as much as 1/3 of an inch of rain by the time this storm is all said and done late tonight. The rest of us just picking up between a trace and 3 to 0.05 of an inch here by the end of the day. I expect those chances for rain to end by about midnight tonight. So for the coast, it's mid-60s. Again, still mostly cloudy. Sun breaks in and out with those isolated showers. Winds will be pretty light out there today. For the Umpqua Basin, it's just mid-70s, so still on the cooler side, still mostly cloudy, and again, heavier rainfall near Roseburg and Myrtle Creek today. Through the Cascades, much cooler down into the low to mid-60s at the pass, about 70 in Oak Ridge, continuing to help improve the air quality there through the foothills of the Cascades. Central Oregon, you're headed back to the mid-70s, just a slight chance of an isolated shower there later tonight. And for the valley, it's low to mid-70s for us, very similar to yesterday. Increasing chances, though, for those rain showers all the way through later tonight. Then as we head into the next 7-day stretch, we flip-flop right back to summer-like weather this weekend for the coast. 69 on Friday, back to 71 degrees on Saturday. And even that marine layer is not going to form. Offshore winds both Saturday and Sunday. For the Umpqua Basin, we move from the 70s right back into the mid-80s tomorrow, and then another 10 degrees warmer on Saturday at 94. As we head into early next week, though, another storm headed our direction for Wednesday, so that'll cool down and bring us another round of showers. Through the Cascades, if you're doing any camping or hiking, great weather for it this weekend, where highs will be back near 80 degrees up at the pass. And for the Willamette Valley, we climb from the 70s to the 80s tomorrow. We'll clear out quickly tomorrow. Great weather for Friday night football. Also great weather for anything going on this weekend. High temperatures will be back to nearly 90 degrees. And then next week, again, we kick off fall, and it looks like showers return Wednesday.